All right then. Let's look at this. It says each of Grandma Lewis' 4 daughters has 1 child. For Mother's Day, Grandma Louise wants to buy her daughters a ring bearing the birthstone of their child. All 4 children were born on the same year, but on different months. Grandma Lewis is a bit forgetful, though. Using the facts below, help her figure out which child was born on which month. So we're going to go through there. We're going to use the 3 clues that it gives us. It tells us Cutler was born before Dinah. Dinah was born 2 months after Bobby, and Bobby was born after Annette but before Cutler. List the children in order of birth month, starting with the earliest one. So if you'll look there with your partner at your table and try to figure your way through this one. We'll talk about this one here in just a second. Once you're done with that one, just stay there. Don't move on to the next one yet. All right, so Cutler was born before Dinah was. So, all right, so Cutler's before Dinah. So what month did y'all end up getting for Cutler to be born? March. All right, y'all got Cutler was in March. Now, Dinah was born 2 months after Bobby. All right. So we knew that meant Dinah could not have been born in January or February, right?
It has to be April.
So it has to be April.
Well, it would have to be April anyway because Dina's younger than Cutler.
Yes.
Because why?
Because Dina's younger than Cutler.
Right, because Dina's younger than Cutler. All right, so which one's, so that took care of that part. Now the next part, Bobby was born after Annette. All right, Bobby's born after Annette. So when was Bobby born? February. So Annette was born in January. So there's your order that you should have there on that example. Now for tomorrow, guys, what you're going to do is you're going to finish looking at these other 3 examples on here. These other 3 memory problem situations that you've been given. And then you'll also have one more section that's talking about conditional statements and converse statements and things like that. All right? That's what you'll be working on tomorrow. And again, you will turn that in to me on Thursday. All right? Now, if you haven't turned in work, which I've called out most of you that haven't, I mean, there's a couple of assignments here and there that still weren't turned in. Your last chance to get that turned in is tomorrow, guys. It needs to be turned in the box. I've got everything graded. I'll have your test graded today, hopefully before the end of the school day. If not, I'll have them graded for sure by this evening. So hopefully they'll be put in to your grade book by Ms. Barfield this evening as well. All right? So that's what I've got for you. We've got just a couple minutes left. Remember, guys, we've got assembly next period in the commons, so you won't be in 3rd period.